Okay guys, we came back to the room and now we are going to head to Fira and then to the beach. It is so bright, the contrast between the whites and the blues. Finally found the town square, grabbed the bus, and we are on our way to Fira. It is 1:47, so don't want to miss any sun at the beach. Also, I'm going to attempt to fly the drone maybe today or tomorrow morning. I don't think I've ever flown it without Junior, so wish me luck. So we found this little place called Enigma Cafe. I was actually here last year with Natasha, but for some reason I ended up right here, and it's probably because of the view, and then you go down the stairs and the cafe is right there and it overlooks the entire caldera. So we wandered down the steps. Check out this view. How absolutely stunning. You can see the cruise ships coming in. And of course the patio of every Airbnb and hotel. If you guys have ever been to Greece, it's a different kind of sun. If it's cloudy or at nighttime it feels fresh, but during the day you literally sizzle away.
I was working here last year. Yeah. You remember me?
Oh, I do remember
I see so many people every day.
Cheers. Breakfast martini. How fancy of me. So before heading and grabbing the bus to go to Perissa, I want to see if I can find a little store to grab a little memorabilia, like a nice little pendant. And once again, uninevitably sidetracked by a restaurant with an amazing view. Anybody who takes 2 steps and can actually make it somewhere without stopping into something else really deserves a prize. This YouTube video should be called, "Are we going to the beach?" We pushed our way onto the bus because the lines here are blobs, not lines. Wow, esta está más impresionante que la otra. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Guys, I ordered an espresso on the beach.
Espresso.
If we could find somewhere to put it.
Your pomegranate juice.
Oh my god.
The glasses. No, this is not yours.
No problem. No problem.
No problem. Here you are.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Okay, so guess what I ordered that I've never ordered anywhere else in the world? I just ordered a fresh pressed pomegranate juice. It's on the menu and I had to verify with him a few times. Right there. Pomegranate juice. So this is definitely a first. Very excited about trying this. Because really the only place that has anything you can eat are the seeds, so I guess you'd have to juice a lot of pomegranate seed. You'd have to use a lot of seeds is kind of what I'm trying to say, and then the juicer would have to be one of the really expensive ones. Oh my gosh, it's so good. My mom approves. So, Mami deja de gritar. That's how you call for someone and get their attention. My mom's a G. But I just realized on this trip that last year when I thought I went to Perissa Beach with Natasha, it was really Imperivogli Beach. Because we actually got off on the wrong stop. This is Perissa Beach, and we had never been. It's the same, I think it's the same stretch because it's Black Sand Beach, but this one's just near the cliff. Let's see what my dad thinks of the pomegranate juice.
Wow.
No. Told ya. I'm cracking up over here because these girls behind me are trying to get a photo. And then I don't know if you guys can see that guy that's just like laying across the rocks right behind the photo. It's just like for no reason. I mean, for the reason of he wants to lay on the rocks, but I don't know if you guys can see the way he's like laying. It's hilarious. Guys, so my dad ordered a fresh fish, and the guy was like, it's fresh, there's only a few that come in every day. It's very good, it's grilled, it's a good sized fish. And so we came over because he finally delivered the fish. And this is the fish. That poor fish. When we opened it, we just all started laughing. Sir, why didn't you tell us it was a sardine? Oh, that fish. We're gonna head to Ia now to try to catch the sunset. Let's see if we can catch a bus. It's about €2.40 to get to Fira, and then €2.40 to get back to Ia. So we'll see if we can make it on time. Caught the sunset on the bus, and tomorrow we are going sailing, which I'm very excited about. Tune in for our sailing vlog